Okay, so you visited all the builders' offices and collected all the floor plans. You've got probably 15, 20 floor plans in front of you that are within your budget, but you don't know which one to choose or which one is going to work best for you. On today's video, I'm going to give you 5 tips to help narrow down your floor plan selection and make it easier for you to pick the home that's best for you. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is don't just focus on the square footage. Some homes live differently than others. Different layouts provide different flow and function inside of the home, and if you focus just on the square footage, you may end up with a large home, but it may not live exactly the way you want it to. Tip number 2 is to meet with a sales consultant to discuss the options that the floor plans that you've narrowed it down to have to offer. Most floor plans have structural options or flex spaces that allow you to add a 4th or 5th bedroom, a half bath or an extra bath, or maybe a 3rd or 4th car garage. This can take a floor plan that didn't necessarily meet all of your needs and structurally turn it into a new plan that meets exactly what you're looking for. It's important to sit down with a sales consultant and go over the options for all of the plans that work for you so that you can make an informed decision. Tip number 3 is to find an under construction home to walk. Once you've narrowed down your floor plans to 3 or 4 options that you may like or that may work for you, you'll want to talk with the sales consultant and find the homes, whether they're being built across the city or in the community that you're looking in, so that you can go walk through them and see if they live and feel the way they do on paper. Alright, before we get to tip number 4, I want to ask you if you found value in today's video, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you get all of our content every week when it comes to building your new construction home, tips, tricks, and advice to help you along the way. Tip number 4 is to use the internet to do a little bit of extra research. Most builders are going to have interactive floor plans or floor plan layouts on their website. You can also Google the floor plan name or number to find more information on that plan specifically. A lot of times you can also find photos or reviews of previous builds to give you more information when making your floor plan selection. Tip number 5 is to be creative when it comes to selecting your floor plan. A lot of times there are floor plans that work for you as far as function and flow, but they may have too many or too few rooms in certain areas. This can be a home that's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, but it doesn't have a study. Well, if all you're looking for is a home that is 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, you could use that 4th bedroom as a study. Or let's say you're looking for a media room and it's a large 1-story that doesn't provide that. Maybe you could use the formal dining room and work with your sales consultant to prepare that room to become your dream media room. As long as you're creative and work with your sales team and builder team throughout the construction process, the possibilities are limitless to what you can accomplish. Okay, so to summarize today's video, tip number 1, don't just focus on square footage. Tip number 2, talk with a salesperson to discuss the options that each plan has to offer. Tip number 3, find an under construction home to walk to make sure the function and flow works for what you're looking for. Tip number 4, use the internet to do research to make sure that the plan works for you. Find photos or videos of previous builds so that you have an idea of what to expect. Tip number 5, be creative. Use rooms and spaces in different ways to make a floor plan work for you. Thank you for tuning in to Build with Eric and for making it this far in the video. If you're currently looking at a floor plan, drop the name or a link in the comments below so that I can take a look and comment back with my thoughts on that floor plan. As always, I appreciate everyone who's subscribed to the channel, and I hope that I can help you along your new construction home journey. Stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see you in the next one.